liquid clear applied. Put some phthalo blue on. I've got some purple here as well. Right, I'm going to go with some blue here. I'm going to go straight into that purple. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of the canvas with this. So yeah, let's get some titanium white on the board. Loading up the fan brush, and we're just going to put some white around. Just get your, I think that's about where I want it. This is just a saucepan lid. It's had its days of cooking carrots and peas. I'm just going to go around here and just going to put some paint on. I'm just going to dab. I can add some more, I just want to get the shape. Put enough on so you can see it, but don't go mad because you can add more. Might have missed a few bits, but we will get it. There we go, voila. Okay, that's got a good outline. Okay, yeah, I'm just going to add a few more bits and pieces to this, and then we'll do some blending. Are you ready to blend? Put a smiley face in the chat if you're ready to blend. I'm going to start here in the sort of blue and the green sort of colour. Just pull this out. And you can add more. I want to come back around this. Add more if I want to add more. Go straight up there. Being gentle. Yeah, guys, if you feel like supporting me, I've got subscribers on TikTok. I think I've got some people that help me on TikTok. I think they pay £5 a month or something to subscribe to me on TikTok. I get half of that. So what I've done now is set up something called Patreon. I've only done it today. And you can support me over there. The link is in description. Sorry, the link is in the the description on YouTube or pinned comment, and if you're watching on TikTok, it's underneath my profile picture. If you fancy support me, it works out just over £1 a week. Look at that, that's pretty beautiful, isn't it? I'm just putting this colour out here, around there, just to make that a little bit smoother. We could have a little moon maybe, so we could have a bright spot around here, something like this. And we'll just do little things, something like this. Just make a nice little sky. So I'm just going to make a little sky in here. Just a little bit. This is just white thick paint here. I just want to put the tiniest little moon there. I'm just twisting the brush basically. Set it back a little bit. One hair and some air. So I've got a little palette knife. I'll use this blue here and this green. Mix this up to make a dark colour. Sap green and the phthalo blue together. We don't need a lot. This is just a decorating brush that I'm using. I want to use some. I just want to do some outlines of some trees in the background. Let's try this green, this yellow, a little bit of that colour I was just using. I want like a greeny colour, something like this. I only want touches of this colour, so I'm just going to tap into this colour, and I want to pick some of that up on these trees here. Can you see that colour going on? There we go. Let's add a little bit of white around here. Just a little bit. I'm going to blend this off. Just blend. There we go. We have a little stream that comes out here. I don't know if we're going to see all of this yet, but we could have a little stream that just comes down there, just a little waterfall there. I'm going to put some yellow into this colour that I use for the bushes on there, so we can use this to do some grass. Around here, you can maybe just about see that. Just a little bit there. We can have all that there come down like that. Comes down again. Just there. Come down to about there. Probably put a few little highlights on here with the glow of the moon and stuff like that. A few little splashes. Right, I've got some black and some brown here. Just going to mix them sort of marbly together. Just there, so it's like a darker brown than what's actually there. We can just add a few little rocks in here. Some over here, just have a one random one there. Some here. All by the edge of this little stream. Just a little bit of a light colour of that. So we're going to make little tiny rocks. So I'm going to bring up the grass up to them. So just some little sparkles of rocks here. A little bit over here. Just playing across there. Just neaten that up. Just a little bit. Well, I come to somewhere like this, down around here. You can also order a print of this one as well. I'm just creating a little bit of mist down the bottom of this waterfall. Just a little bit there. Maybe it goes off sort of this way, and it comes around, and it goes like that, and then it comes down here. Just adding these little things here. Look how you can just create wonderful paintings with some paint and some brushes. Some beautiful places. You know, it's sort of coming out this way. I could split it both ways. Maybe we'll do both ways actually. We'll have one coming down there, and we'll have one coming down there. We can just have this water coming down. Just a few little sparkles and stuff here as that comes down there. Just change the colour of the bottom of this. Some of that brown again. Let's just do a little rock around here. There. Right, just some little highlights over here. Just think where some light might catch. Create like another little hill that comes down there, maybe there, another sort of little bit there, and maybe just some around the front here. It's quite dark around this area, so I'm just gonna do some little circle things here, white up really. Just going into that purple with that white there. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Beautiful. That bit's really nice there, look. You can always come back and add another layer of mist on this front bit here. I just feel that it should have something around there. So I'll just put that in. Yeah, just layering that mist up basically. I can see sort of one around here. Maybe we'll have him sort of there. And just bring him out there. Coming through. One that comes across here, just there, just there, and then we'll just have that about there. Maybe we'll have one in the picture and one out the picture. What do you think? What do you think? Just gonna continue. I like the way that just goes over the moon there. Bit of lighter colour here. And I'm just going to go down the side of this one. And I'm going to blend it in. I've got to stand up for this. Just so we got a bit of light on that side. Just a little bit of highlight in some places. I'm going to go back over this. Just want to feel that wood. Feel that wood. There we go. There we go. And then this will come with a scan code on the back, so you can scan the back of this. There'll be a little thing down here when it's sold, and you can scan it with your phone, and you can just watch it back being made. This is painting 363, guys. There's the money. My signature. One day. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Look at this down here. Look. Beautiful, isn't it? That's really close. The detail. There we go. There we go. Sorted. Thanks for being here, everyone.